Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. Hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a lot to go through. Ripple taking a stance in the United States and actually acquiring Standard Custody and Trust Company, which is bullish. Is an XRP explosion on the cards as US renews its optimism on XRP, which is bullish. Solana has literally flipped BNB. Very, very nice. Going to go over an old article with Raoul Pal as well. You know, he was been essentially predicting that Solana is going to skyrocket in value, which it has, which is incredible as well. ARK, Kathy Woods, essentially predicting that the SEC is not going to approve anything other than a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. We'll see what happens, Mr. Gary Gensler as well. And yeah, Bitcoin price prediction as Bitcoin eyes surpassing Meta, or Facebook, total market cap is $1 million Bitcoin coming very soon. I honestly do believe it will happen in the near future. So we'll get into all of that. My 3COMMAS bots are currently sitting up in profit at the moment. You don't want to miss that on OKX. Very, very bullish stuff. Let's get into the video because I'm going to see Blink 182 tonight. So, you know, reliving my teenage years. So I've got to get this video done because priorities are key. All right. Anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here on the screen, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting crazy in this space, all right? They literally are. So make sure you come along this incredible journey. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right. Formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab. No BS. 420. That is 420 Australian dollars made today with the trading bots, and I'm actually up a lot higher than that at the moment. It's absolutely ridiculous. Join the Wall Street Bull University. Again, it's been wild. This was earlier this morning as well. It was currently, 8 o'clock in the morning. It was up $296, which is ridiculous. Top altcoins in my portfolio, we had CKB, Superfarm, Sia Coin, TLM, and VeChain. About freaking time that's actually making moves. Very, very nice. Now, quick look at CoinMarketCap. We are creeping up there, ladies and gents. 1.85 trillion, which is nice. And again, peak of the bull market was just slightly above 3 trillion. So let that one sink in for a moment. And that was without Bitcoin ETFs. $73 billion in volume. We've got 52% on the Bitcoin dominance, and of course 71 on Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin's sitting at 49,569. It did break above 50k whilst we were sleeping in Australia. Ethereum's at 2,642. Solana is at 113 US dollars. XRP's at 52 cents. Scrolling down, favorites, XLM is 11 cents. We've got Hedera at 8 cents today, which is nice. VeChain, it's still very slow, but it's above that 3 cents. I'm happy with that. Let's go down to ALGO's at 17 cents. Quant is at 103. This was well over $400 in the previous bull market. Crazy stuff. Absolutely ridiculous. Scrolling down, IOTA's at 26 cents. We have Gala as well at 2 cents. Lunk, and of course XDC, XYO, and RE for some of my other gems, and Casper, which are out of the top 100. In my opinion, they're incredible gems. Now let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, quickly before I do, I have the Wall Street Bull University down below. This is where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots, my futures grid trading bots, all of the setup guides to my 3COMMAS day trading bots, which are absolutely smashing it today, which is incredible. And more importantly, my dividend investing, which again is going to be generational wealth. That is all in the Patreon. It is linked below. Make sure you join up to that. There is 1,767 posts. And there's also 800 plus members in here because some of you have opted for the free version. And there's nothing wrong with that. If you want access to all of my 3COMMAS trading bot setups, again, you will need that paid membership, which is nothing because I've kept it at $5 US a month. It's around $8.50 Aussie a month, which is ridiculous compared to what you're going to see in a second. Anyway, go join up to the Wall Street Bull University. You don't want to miss this, all right? So having a look at OKX, No BS, all right? I don't know if you can see this on the screen, but it's up $484 today. Let's just bring that up there. There you go. Okay, this is the actual account. This is in one day. Ridiculous, and I've been slowly taking profits. And again, you know, just this is the point of it. 665 on the week so far. And what are we? Wednesday today. Absolutely remarkable here. On the month, we're down. Again, we've had a few liquidations there, but on the 6 months, we're still up 45%. That's $11,076. Currently trading at the moment, we have 139 open orders and 73 positions. Oh, and I forgot to show you on the 3COMMAS bots. Now, just to point this out, I have started some spot trading on 3COMMAS. I am going to share all of these links as well with the Patreon members so you can follow these. I've also got multi-bot set up trading on an RSI indicator. Using a 3-minute RSI indicator, 1.5% profit target as well. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm also trading single pairs on 15x leverage, as you can see right here. There's a lot of bots running at the moment. I'm trading literally everything. I've got spot trading bots, I've got multi-bots on leverage, on 10x, and single pairs as well, which has been ridiculous. So go join up to the Wall Street Bull University's links below. Some profits today. If I just go to the position history on OKX, you will see some here. That is, let's go to history right here. Okay, so again, taking small profits, it does add up. As you can see right here, $1.70, 17 USDT on this one, which is crazy. And by the way, it's in USDT. 4 USDT on this, 13 on this one right here, $1.70 on this, $1.90. It's been probably about a 95% win rate today, which is just ridiculous. So go join up. It's linked below. Quick look at crypto bubbles on the day. Again, VeChain, very, very bullish on that. It's 7.9%. That is at 3 cents right now, which is incredible to see that. I'm not going to be talking about Hex. I get so many comments about that. Again, I have my opinions about it. People like it. Some people hate it. I'm not a fan of it. I have my suspicions about the project and the founder. And I'm just going to let that one sink in for a moment. So you do whatever you want. I don't care. If you want to invest in it, go for it. But I'm not doing that. And I'm especially not being paid by some other influencers as well that go and promote stuff. You know what I mean? Anyway, Ethereum name service is also up 5.9% here. It's at $23.33 at the moment. And again, still up 71% this year, which is just ridiculous. Moving on, let's get to the news. But Ripple announces acquisition of Standard Custody and Trust Company. It expands its portfolio and regulatory licenses. And again, this is bullish, right? The leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions announced that today that it had agreed to acquire Standard Custody and Trust Company, an enterprise-grade regulated platform for digital assets, right? And this move further underscores Ripple's commitment to regulatory compliance and enables the company to strengthen its existing product offerings as well as explore new complementary products. And we will continue to leverage our strong financial standing to expand our product offerings, support new initiatives on the product roadmap, and serve a broader segment of customers. This is bullish. Seriously, it's incredible. Now, can Ripple explode, or I should say XRP explode? I got so much comments and feedback about this, and I did put a post up on X today, and I said Rome wasn't built in a day. Literally. You heard it from Brad Garlinghouse the other day, from an older interview that is, and things take time. They literally take time. But you have to look at the partnerships of Ripple. How many governments, how many institutions are using the XRP ledger? In the United States in particular, it is slowly building, and the momentum is starting to pick up with it. And again, the only thing that's holding this back is the freaking lawsuit about the institutional sales of XRP. Other than that, XRP to retail customers are not securities. Anyway, market sentiment and optimism is bullish in the United States. And according to an announcement by Ripple on Tuesday, the acquisition to secure New York Trust Charter, expanding Ripple's US regulatory licensing and enabling the company to offer a broader range of services. Notably, Ripple's acquisition of Standard Custody is still subject to approval of the New York Department of Financial Services, but will add crypto custody and settlement business to Ripple's portfolio. And this acquisition will allow Ripple's customers to maintain custody with the company instead of relying on external partners. That is bullish. Can it explode? We'll see. Now, again, Solana has overpassed, BNB in market cap, which is incredible, and it overtakes Binance Coin, reaching $49.7 billion in market cap, becoming the fourth largest crypto. And despite challenges like network outages and centralization concerns, Solana rise reflects growing investor confidence. And BNB makes a comeback, reclaiming the 4th position. Now, I think that has changed. Just quickly going to CoinMarketCap. Again, it is obviously ranked 3 out of all the top 100 right here. I should say 4, because USDT is up there as well. Not that that should be in there, but whatever. That is bullish. And of course, we have a prediction going back a while ago from Raoul Pal as well, who was a former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager. But his idea was somewhere between $500 USD Solana and 1,000, just depending on what the market feels like. And, he's been looking at a lot of charts, a lot of analysis, and it's actually one of his largest positions in his portfolio, which is incredible. And I've seen nothing but gains from this. I literally bought it, and I kid you not, when the collapse of FTX happened. Instantly, I just bought it when the collapse. Just a straight 90-degree angle. Bang. I went in and bought it, and I've seen nothing but gains. And ARK's Kathy Woods says that the SEC probably will only approve Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, and we're surprised to see anything but Bitcoin and Ether being approved by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Again, it makes you think. I mean, why just Ethereum? But another statement from Gary Gensler confirms that the previous developments do not guarantee broader approvals, of course. And in January, Gensler said that the latest spot Bitcoin ETFs approvals were cabined to Bitcoin and mean little else about the SEC stance on other assets. So I think he's going to be essentially forced to, introduce other ETFs, because this sector is just going to literally explode, and he's going to have to do it. Can Bitcoin hit $1 million per coin? It is literally surpassing Meta's cap, and I believe, forgive me if I'm wrong on this, but it was Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway stock or company in market cap that Bitcoin is now flipped, which is absolutely incredible. Cannot wait for this as well. It's just incredible times we're all living in, and people need to be patient with this stuff. Now, looking at CryptoMeter.io, I'm going to hurry up with this video, but anyway, let's have a look. Ethereum, Solana, we have Doge, Near Protocol, WorldCoin, and a couple of other coins, which I'm not going to mention, but AVAX. I do hold that one as well. Let's move on to X quickly. And I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Thank you, X, as well, for verifying my account. But there are fake accounts with verification with not even my birthday. How the hell does that happen? How do you allow that to happen? I don't know. Elon, you need to fix that. It's just nuts. Anyway, Jack the Rippler. Look who is founder on Standard Custody and Trust Company. Yes, it's the co-founder of the XRP Ledger, Arthur Brito himself. What a coincidence, right? Very, very nice. Yes, there's a light show going on in Miami at the moment. Yes, Rome was not built in a day, people. I've seen so many comments, and there was a comment on David Schwartz's post about the XRP price. Calm down. Chill out. All right? Understand the technology and that it's new and it's going to revolutionize the financial world forever. This shit takes time, okay? Putting it out there. Calm. Guys literally only want one thing, and it's absolutely disgusting. I'm not going to say the F word, but Bitcoin going to 50,000. Yes, we do want that, okay? Now, Brad Garlinghouse right here. With Standard Custody, we'll be able to improve existing product offerings for our customers, as well as explore new products and use cases and a fully compliant way. Today, Ripple has secured nearly 40 US money transmitter licenses, or MTLs, MPI license from MAS, and VASP registration of the Central Bank of Ireland and counting. That is just absolutely bullish right there. Have a listen to this, all right? This is crazy. But New Zealand Governor of the Reserve Bank says the central banking is a great business to be in, where you print money and people believe it. Look at this, is no BS. Listen to this.
It's a great business to be in, central banking. You print money and people believe it. And
did you hear that?
And touch wood.
No shit.
Fiscal challenges, etc., that are there. So very focused on being cost effective. We actually fund ourselves and then work out what dividend is needed to pay. So we kind of work, but it's a great business to be in, central banking. You print money and people believe it. And touch wood.
No comment. Absolutely useless. Now, this is very important. I'm going to end up on this as well. I'm just going to play this. You need to listen to this, because don't be one of these people that do this shit, because you will get destroyed by any tax official, government or department in your country. Listen to this.
I didn't think it was that high. And recently where he'd made a lot of money out of crypto, about 1.5 million. What he did is he cashed in about 1.1 and used the money to buy a house. Now, at the time, he felt that he'd take his profit, which is cool, buy a property, which is cool, but keep the other crypto up his sleeve because he thought it was going to go even higher than that. Anyways, when his tax bill came in, it was like about 400 grand and he freaked out.
Now, listen. When you go and cash out your crypto gains, you're going to be hit with a capital gains tax. You need to speak to an accountant. No freaking influencer is talking about this at all. Literally go and speak to an accountant because you're going to be needing to treat these capital gains taxes appropriately. You cannot cash out millions of dollars in cryptocurrency and instantly go buy a house without having to pay a whopping tax bill. This is stupidity. And this is why I say you need to become financially literate. You need to get educated on this stuff. And you also need to have a very good freaking accountant. That is literally the number one thing not one freaking crypto influencer talks about. Also, if you are holding an asset for more than 12 months, you will get a discount in Australia in particular on that capital gain. So it becomes a discount of about 50% discount. However, if you've bought Bitcoin and it goes to $1 million and you sell it within 12 months of holding that asset, you're going to get whacked with a huge capital gains bill. Just keep that one in mind. Don't go cashing out your cryptos and buying Lambos and buying houses and bullshit. Do not do that because you will get hit with a massive tax bill. Please understand that. Those who know what I'm talking about will know. If you don't, go and get educated on it and also find a very good accountant. And I'm not talking about an accountant at some small, one of these franchises, like somebody who knows about crypto and how to handle family trusts and etc. That is very important, all right? Anyway, I just thought I'd play that. That is pretty much it, Bulls. I've got to run, but thank you very much. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have a freaking triple shot espresso. And I'm about to go rock out with Blink 182. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. Peace out.